I'm trying to catch this little guy. Saved from the lawnmower. Oh, you got me running all over the place. Okay. That's why it's always good to watch where you're mowing the lawn. Come here. Come here. Oh. Isn't he adorable? Oh, he's a jumper. Yeah, I think I met you a couple of weeks ago when you were just a little guy. Hey. Oh, he's got some endurance. Okay. We are putting you in an area where the lawn mowing is finished. There you go. Gertie, see this little guy? Come here, Gert. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Nice and safe. Okay, I'm back to work.